Okay, let's start now. So today we are going to create another web app. So this time it will be a chatbot. So we will be also using another AI for this. So we will use AI to create another AI. So I will be reusing my old template. So I think we can, where is it? So I think we can open this one here now. Okay. So this is my old what do you call this? My old template. So I'll just edit this one. For the meantime, this is going to be the name of the web app. Multiple choice creator. Okay. Then instead of summarize, let's change this one into by the way, I'll be using I think I'll be using Vue for this. Okay, it's working. Let's change the title also. Okay, I think that's it. The layout is fine now. Then we are going to copy and paste it and do our magic with our AI. I want to use Vue for this. Okay, use Vue. We will tell the AI to do that. Use a template. I think I should make the template. Over here. I think it would be multiple spans. There we go. Let's refresh. Okay, so it's there, but we still have an error. Vue didn't run properly, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh, we have to do a +1. Okay, then space here. Then we also need to I think for every correct answer. For the meantime, let's put a BR. Okay. So I guess it works well. It works pretty well. Well, in my opinion, AI would be a great tool. It's a good tool. Programmers who would use this will stay relevant. It would be a good productivity tool. Okay, there we go. Let's try that again. Okay, that's good. What does the wave function of physical systems of particles specify? I guess I'm contented with what it is now. So I guess that's it. That's it for now. I'll have to sleep. So there you have it. I'll be continuing this tomorrow. So I guess that's it. That's it for now. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.